Organizational culture is essentially your internal brand. So everybody knows about branding, right? That's what the world thinks of you, because that's what you're working very hard to put in front of the world. We are this, we are that, we solve this problem, we solve that problem. Culture is your internal brand. Okay, how do we do that? What does it look like in here? How do we interact with each other? What are the stories that we're telling each other to make sure we get the right results every single time? That's culture. It's what your folks say about your company in your company. So we've all been around people who have been very positive. They love coming to work, right? And nothing they say is ever negative. We've been around those other folks that hate having a job, right? And nothing can ever be good enough. We've been around both of those sets of people? Yeah. And what they're both doing is they are creating an internal brand. And the question is, do they have enough support, good or bad, within the organization to shift it? Are there enough other people that also have that negative mindset that they can pull along and create a negative culture? Are there enough other people that have a positive mindset that they can pull along and create a positive culture? This gets back to a hiring issue, right? And this is what happens. Most organizations take their eye off the culture ball, hire the wrong people, and then get the right results. Not their intended results, they just get the right results for who they hired. You can't hire a bobcat and expect it to be a squirrel.